just have to keep the level all the time. Like Nicky was sometimes, Roma that goes sliding on the floor. The pings.
Sportlane on Reina Fredis, jah? 55.
Aga homme või...
Mis kell TNTK-l trenn hakkab olema?
Ei, midagi. Mõned mehed ei ole registatud. Keegi noppu.
Kui on lihtsalt neile pingiread.
Pedro, set the tempo, jah? They drop off and let...
One question. Are you hungry?
Tere õhtust ja jalgpallipublik, kohe on siin Paide kunstmängustaadionil algamas Evald Tipneri karikavõistluste poolfinaal, kus meie Paide linnameeskonna vastaseks Nõmme Kalju.
Number 0694. Kinkekaart, nii. 0687. Ja kolmas. Ahaa, no võt. 655. Täpselt sama number, nii et pilt ka ja saad vägeva särgi endale.
Kuidas väravad lõvad?
Siin üks ja juba mängus kindlasti.
Nii, siit poolt aeg lugane.
Kes on arvab, et mänguseis lõpuks jääb poole taga, kes tuleb välja?
Nii, hakkab juba vähemaks saama neid võist.
Nii, väga põnev. Nii, aga 1, 2, 3. Ärge äärid kuningas praegu, võta enda kätte see.
Ja väljakule
Europe, baby! Let's go, brother. Go.
100 kilo, 100 kilo.
Go on, guys! Go on! Paide teeme!
Kuidas perekond juhtab, rahul on?
Hästi!
President Veskimäe, klubi läheb Euroopasse, klubi läheb Evald Tipneri finaali. Räägi oma emotsioonidest nüüd kohe, kus mäng on lõppenud.
No vägev, ma sain ennem just kellegi siin aias jalutasin mängule ja küsisid, mis mõtted on ja mis ennustused. Ma ütlesin, et esimene asi, mida ma spordisõbrana tahan head mängu saada ja ma arvan, et see oli mäng, mida spordisõber igatses. Ja loomulikult Paide linnameeskonna mehena tahad sa alati võitu saada ja ma arvan, et see oli kõigile hea õppetund siia võib-olla selle hooaja esimese kolmandiku lõppu, et see on võit on alati kinni meis, mitte kelleski teises. Ehk ma arvan, et see, kuidas me reageerisime esimese mitte võib-olla nii õnnestunud poole järgi teisel poole ajal, see oli täpselt see, mida ma arvan, millest meil on võib-olla mõnes mängus olnud puudu ja ma arvan, et täna me seda näitsime ja ma arvan, me olime seda võitu 100% väärt.
You either have balls or you don't have them. You know that we have missing something in couple of games or even in the beginning of the season, but it's always been there. And I think it was a great learning for all of you that the winning is not about them, it's always about you. And really, today, the second half, especially, it was there. So congratulations, you should be proud. I am proud, everyone is proud. We are in the
Like, we have to work hard and we have to believe. And I would say, like, big applause for yourself. You showed everything. Our back three, like, I know it's hard to play against those monsters up front, but you managed it really, really well. Every one of you, the guys who came in, you bring us something, you know, and then this is football, you know. You have to come in and bring us something. And a little bit like more experienced guys, I can see you gave everything on the field. I have a cup final and I have a birthday. So, I'm waiting something.
I want to say what I said after Levadia, that I really love this team, individually each of you, and I love working here. And that's why when the things are not going my way, I feel additional sadness, because I always want to help you, try to help you, and I'm so overwhelmed with the emotions. I don't even know like what properly to say, because I don't remember when I was this happy in my life. Zach, Nikki, Herdov, heads down. I can imagine how difficult it is to play. I can prepare, but you need to play against them. And I know that all of you are carrying some injuries, and it's unbelievable how you played. The rest of you also. Like, I cannot say how I'm proud of you. Like, with Henrik, seeing you are every game up and down. This is the team, guys. This is the right attitude. This is the right mentality. Patrick, Dankard, Karl, the way you came out from the bench was unbelievable. You changed our game. You changed everything. And this is what we need, guys, from the bench. You are a team. Like I said, I know in the end only 11 can play. My job is to pick, and you can be angry. Be angry on me, but never be angry on your teammates. Congratulations! Get in the final!
Kuidas tunnen? Me läheme Euroopasse, me läheme Tipneri karikafinaali. Räägi enda emotsioonidest nüüd, kus sa oled andnud väravasöödu ja löönud ise ühe.
No Euroopasse veel ei lähe, aga loodame, et siin 2 tunni pärast lähme, aga emotsioon on väga hea. Ma arvan, et seda oli siit kõikide jutust ja sellest tähistamisest kuulda, et see tähendab nagu mängijatele ja ma arvan klubile ka väga palju, et saame mängida kõrgtasemelisi mänge, et see nagu motiveerib mängijaid nii palju, et ma arvan, et seda oli just seal teisel poole on näha.
Fresh emotions. We are going to the cup final. A goal from you today. Tell us all about your feelings right now.
Well, I feel really happy and about the whole performance, the effort, the team effort, what everybody did. We all tried our best and we all tried to go according to our tactics, and it came out positive, and I'm happy for my goal as well. So what we are looking out for is to go for the trophy on 25th, and that's the main goal right now. Today is just one of the hurdles that we just jumped, so we focusing on 25th, the final, to bring out the trophy again.
Me läheme karikafinaali mängima 25. mail. Täna läksime imeilusa mänguga Kaljust mööda. Mis tunded praegu sind valdavad?
Väga positiivsed, et tulime raskest seisust välja, jäime 1-0 taha ja teine poolega õnnestus kuidagi hea emotsiooni ja tuhhiga peale tulla ja noored käed tulid hästi sisse, et mängisime väga meeskonnalikult ja ma arvan, väga ilusad väravad lõime. Robi teine värav väga ilus, et jah, näitasime sisu ja loodame finaalis, kes iganes vastu tuleb, et karikas pea kohale tõsta.
Ega siis muud pikka juttu polegi, kui et näeme 25. mail A. Le Coq Arenal.
Teeme nii, kõik vaatama.
Kutid, me läheme Tipneri finaali. Kuidas värsked emotsioonid ja tunded on?
Super tunne on, ma arvan, et paneme finaali kinni ka. Me läheme selle võidu peale. Ma ütlen, vääritud pitsa on see praegu, et võitlus on lõpuni ja ma tean, et me võidame selle Tipneri finaali. Väga hea võit, väga head vahetused. Võtame finaali ära.
Ivan, first of all, congratulations. Is it too much to say that this is one of your biggest wins in your young coaching history?
One of yes. We knew before the game how game is important. On the other side, me personally and everybody else, I think we have our pride. We didn't want to lose second time in a row against them. They're a really good team. They prepared well again. But I think the way we played today, the attitude that we had, especially in the second half, was amazing. And I think we deserve to to go through to the final.
25th of May, we are going to the final. Do you have a message to the fans that were already today on the stadium and who will come to the stadium on the 25th?
I know that I will put up my best suit and come to the game. This will be the biggest game of my, like you said, young coaching career. Chance to win a big trophy. And I would like to send the same message to them. It's a special day from everybody in Paide, and we really hope that we will see you in the big numbers in the stadium.
Super. Enjoy. Nothing else.